How does Zelle works? How to use Zelle to send money. Zelle is a type of peer-to-peer payment service, similar to other apps like Venmo and Cash App. Unlike many of these other apps, there's a good chance Zelle comes with your bank account, rather than requiring a third-party app download. Additionally, Zelle payments can be much faster than those sent through other P2P apps, appearing in a recipient's bank account almost instantly with no extra fees. In most cases, once payment is sent, it can't be cancelled. How does Zelle work? Zelle works by linking to United States checking or savings account and transferring money to another United States bank account. The payer and payee do not need to have accounts at the same financial institution, but they do both need to be enrolled with Zelle. Users send money through their bank's app or the Zelle app, and that money is automatically deposited into the recipient's bank account that they have linked to their Zelle account. Payment transfers with Zelle generally happen within minutes and don't incur any fees. Note that Zelle does not work with business debit cards, credit cards, international accounts and gift cards. Some banks may allow businesses to set up a Zelle business account, which can be used for merchant transactions. However, the bank may charge a small fee for businesses using Zelle, and consumers must be enrolled in the service to make payments. How to use Zelle. Zelle is primarily app-based, so you'll need a smartphone to get started. If it's offered through your bank, then Zelle may be available to use through the bank's online portal. Follow these steps for sending money through Zelle. 1. Check whether your bank or credit union offers Zelle. There are a couple ways to find out if your financial institution offers Zelle. If you've downloaded the bank or credit union's mobile app, there should be a designated Zelle tab in the app for those that come with the payment service. Zelle may also be under the Transfers section of the banking app. Another way to find out if your financial institution offers Zelle is by searching for it in Zelle's online database of those it partners with. You can also contact the financial institution directly to ask if it offers Zelle. How do I get Zelle? Although Zelle is available as a standalone app, users may not be able to use the standalone app if Zelle is offered through their financial institution. If the financial institution does not automatically come with Zelle in its own app, then you can use the Zelle standalone app by downloading it from the Apple or Google Play Store. 2. Enroll your email or phone number. When you first use Zelle, through a banking app or the standalone Zelle app, it'll require you to enroll either an email address or phone number, or both. That way, other users can verify who they're sending money to. If you previously enrolled in Zelle at a different bank or credit union, your email or phone number will need to be removed from that account before it can be used to re-enroll with a new institution. Users of the standalone app, who don't have access to Zelle through their financial institution, will also need to enter their debit card information for the card they'd like to make payments from. It must be a US-issued debit card and not a business card. 3. Choose whom to send money to and how much. Once you've been enrolled, you'll have the option to send or request money from another Zelle user. After selecting Send or Request, add the contact information of the recipient to create a new contact for them, including first name, last name and email or phone number. It's necessary to get the recipient's email or phone number, because each Zelle user must enroll with either one of these to verify their identity. This helps to ensure your money is sent to the right person. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information, because if you send money to the wrong person, you likely cannot cancel the payment. The only instance in which payments can be cancelled is if the recipient has not enrolled yet, so the payment was not transferred from your account. When you've verified and selected a contact, enter the dollar amount of the payment or request. 4. Send the money. The app will ask you to review the transaction details before the money or request is sent. Double-check the transaction amount, the recipient's contact info and the account that your money will be withdrawn from. There is also an optional memo or reason text box, where users can type in a reason for the payment before sending it. If all the information is correct, hit send. Money sent through Zelle is typically available in the recipient's account within minutes, though if the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet, it may take a couple of days. The recipient will need to enroll first to receive the payment. Is Zelle safe? Zelle is considered a safe option for sending and receiving money. You won't have to worry about money getting lost or stolen in the mail, bypassing the risk that comes with sending cash or checks. Zelle transfers, like other P2P payment services, are protected by data encryption. If the service is used through a bank app, there's also the added protection of multi-factor authentication and alerts for suspicious activity that the bank's app may provide. Zelle can be a great option for sending money to another person's bank account, even if they have an account with a different financial institution. It's offered through many banks and credit unions and comes with no fees. As an alternative to sending cash or a check in the mail, Zelle is faster, protected by online encryption, and can be done with just a few steps through your phone. Always make sure you know who you're sending money to by checking the recipient's contact information and monitor your account activity for any unauthorized Zelle payments. If you take a few simple precautions, you won't have to worry about personal information being compromised. Did you like this information? Please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on valuable information like this. Thank you.